What's up, Smiley Gang? I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I'm gonna go ahead and give you 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell to be notified whenever your girl's posting a video. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? I'm gonna take that silence as a yes, and if you've been here before, thank you for always coming back, and let's get right on with this video. So here's the box that they came in. I ordered them like 2 days ago, and then they came a day early. They were supposed to come the 27th, but they came the 26th, so I ordered them the 24th. That's how that went. But crossed out my address and everything to make me feel important, like people were looking for me, nobody care. But whatever, let's get right on with the video. I got my little box and I got my little scissors. So and that's a cat. Trouble, get down. Pop myself in the face. Make sure these things ain't going nowhere. That was weird.
You just said you started recording.
Oh, maybe I didn't.
Then you were lying.
Where you think you going?
I gotta go to my job and take this tape out there because I can't go to work.
All one go. Alright, so I most definitely switched locations. I'm in my room right now, and these are the AirPods. So I'm about to open them right now. There it is. So the box is like, it's kind of like a, you can't see it obviously, but it's like a 3D-ish. Box. So when you first open them, you see this little pamphlet thingy. I'm just gonna open it for people who don't like know. No stickers, just books, whatever, like the instruction manual per se. I'm gonna put this back in here. I keep all of these, like I keep like in my boxes, I keep everything that come in a box. And then these are the AirPods. So here they are. They feel so small. So I'm actually gonna finish with the box before I do that. So lift this up, and it is a, excuse me, it is an Apple charger cord. It's just a regular charger cord. So that's that. I'm gonna put this back, and now for the big reveal. They're so glossy, like brand new. Wow, they feel so small, like I feel like I'm gonna lose them or something. So I got AirPods. Oh, the little light is on. You can see it. So I'm about to pair these to my phone, and then I'll be back to let y'all know what's up. So I want to thank anyone who stuck around to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you stuck around to the end, do not hesitate to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see. And don't forget to subscribe. And then I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.